where in today's video I'm here in Camden in London to visit what is really London's only theme park. It's an indoor theme park, it's themed to space, as you can see. Yeah, it's a Saturday evening, so it's going to be pretty busy in here, but I'll get what footage I can. I have been here before, but last time I was here I had next to no time, like 25-30 minutes in the park, so yeah, this is sort of a redemption visit for me. Here to Babylon Park. Just come down from there then, which is the entrance here in Camden Town. Now to pay for stuff here you have these cards, if it'll pick up. Yeah, so the lowest one to get is £15. You have to buy it. If you haven't already got one, I got one last time I came here and I had to pay £15. Yeah, and then you can top up an existing card or get a new card. I'm not sure if you can get the £1 back, which I might try and do, and I don't know if I can top this up with like a couple of quid, but I have already got some credits on there, so yeah, I'll try and find that out now. 48 Babylon things. Yeah, I don't even think I can top up. Right, well, I'm going to be spending 48 coins then and no more, because I don't want to spend another 15 quid. But I will show you everything now with, yeah, just take my time a bit more here. So the bottom level is where all the rides are. It's the cafe and stuff which are on the sort of mezzanine level. There is one roller coaster here. It's London's only underground roller coaster. Bit of a weird thing, I know, which I will be going on tonight because it's my favourite ride here. I've only ever done like this in another ride before, but it's a coaster. I do love coasters. There's also a drop tower which was closed last time, and I think that remains the case today. I don't think it's a very reliable ride. It's very, very small there, but I will of course go on the coaster and I'll probably take you on board for a ride as long as they allow it. I'll show you some other rides as well. There's this little big wheel thing down there. It's mainly for the kids, most of the rides, other than like the coaster. I guess the coaster's a fun ride for everyone. Got this little ride there. A very fun bumper cars that I did go on last time. So yeah, check out my vlog from last year if you want to see what they're like on ride. You can also get really close to the track here. I mean, look at some of this. Yeah, the fence is literally just there. But there you go, the coaster is going around. Seems everyone's getting 3 laps around on the roller coaster, but it's really clever how they fit carnival games in the middle of the track. As you can see, it goes all the way around us. There's a couple more rides over here. Like I said, not many rides, but it is just sort of in a basement in Camden, which is a really sort of busy area. So yeah, they can't fit that much in. Very loud. Got this little ride, I won't film it because there's people on there at the minute. And this mini Tagada over there as well. And I believe that's it for all the rides. So not masses down here. But I guess they could always expand in the future. But I think it's really nicely themed. And it's just like fun, isn't it, to have here in London. You can come here for like an hour or two, go on a couple of rides, play some games while you're down here in Camden. It is so busy in here as well. I thought I'd just come over here so I can talk to the camera a minute. I am going to head on to the coaster in a minute. I believe it's actually 48 credits, which is all I've got left. So that will be my one and only ride because, yeah, it's 15 quid otherwise, and I don't want to really spend that. I do think they should change that. I think it should be maybe like minimum £10, and then you can top your card up. Because I would have put another £5 on it today, but you can't. So it's just one of those things. I guess I could top up £15, but I couldn't probably find £20 worth of rides to go on here at Babylon Park. It's worth remembering, you can use all these for all of the arcade machines as well that you see around. Anyway, there's a big queue for that coaster. It's called ERS. I'm going to jump on there now, take you along for the ride. Some of the plush do look quite cool. You get some Squid Game stuff there. Right, here's the coaster. I think it's got about a 15-minute queue. 20 minutes to get on there to the coaster. It needs a queue line desperately, because basically what happened is we were all queued on the stairs and they had to close the gate because some people have gone a bit too far forward, and we were just really crammed in there, and also the queues spilling out and blocking the main pathways here. Or I say pathways, it's just like there's space occasionally, so it needs a queue line for that one, I'd say, because it's a bit chaotic. This is the main cafe area, lots of like kids things. I won't film where people are eating and stuff, I'll go and look at this window. It's actually a really good view up here. As you can see, the drop tower down there, a lot of disappointed looking people, but it's closed, I think. Yeah, I can't believe there's 2 visits now and it's been closed. It's probably because it's an SBF Easy Ride, let's be honest. This is quite cool, you can win these balls here. Yeah, I don't know how much that is. I think it's about £1 of points for a go on that there. Right, I'm going to head up into the shop now because I've showed you everything I can. There's toilets on both floors, this floor and the one below, but you do need a card to get into them. Basically, it doesn't cost anything to get into the toilets, but you do need to scan your card, which costs a minimum of £15 to buy. Little look at the prizes you can get here at Babylon Park. These are more prizes. Quite cool how you can buy it with cash or points that you've won, so I think that's quite good. What have we got? Lots of these like plushes. There you go, you need 5,400 tickets to get that. I bet that's quite hard to do. Yeah, and that is going to do it for this video. It's a nice little park here at Babylon Park. It's very busy and it's only got like 1 or 2 rides that you can go on really. But if you are here in London, it's worth popping into to get the credit and just have a little look around really.